This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Okay, stop looking at those dancing million-dollar robots for a second. We always talk about the massive breakthroughs from Google DeepMind or Boston Dynamics. But have you ever wondered how the next generation of engineers is actually learning to build this stuff? I just came across the new MBot 2, and honestly, I'm kind of jealous I didn't have this in school. At first glance, it looks like just another cute remote control car with big eyes. But open up the hood, and the tech here is actually wild. The brain of this thing is called CyberPi. It's a high-performance microcontroller that completely changes the game because it has built-in Wi-Fi and networking modules. Why does that matter? Because it means these little guys aren't isolated. They can actually talk to each other. You can set up a local network where multiple robots communicate, share data, and perform tasks together as a team. This is basically a miniature version of swarm robotics, the same logic used in massive automated warehouses like Amazon's or in advanced search and rescue drone operations. And now it's literally sitting on a classroom desk. It gets crazier. It's connected to the internet, which unlocks IoT and AI functions. We aren't just blinking lights anymore. This thing supports speech recognition. You can tell the robot to slow down or turn left, and it processes that voice command using the cloud. That is legitimate natural language processing integration in an educational toy. And for anyone who has ever tried to program a robot and watched it drift off course, they finally fixed the motors. The MBot 2 uses optical encoder motors. That means the robot actually knows exactly where it is. If you code it to turn 144 degrees, it turns exactly 144 degrees. It allows for precision that we usually only see in industrial machines. The brilliance here is the software, Makeblock. It lets students start with those colorful drag-and-drop blocks, super easy. But with a single click, it translates those blocks into Python. So you have kids starting out playing a game, and before they know it, they're writing code in the primary language used for real-world artificial intelligence. They've even added data science extensions so the robot can collect information from its environment to teach kids about data visualization. It's weird to think that the engineer who eventually builds the first artificial general intelligence might start their journey with something this small. It's not just a toy, it's a training ground. I'm seriously thinking about picking one up just to mess around with the swarm networking features. What do you guys think? Is this the best way to introduce kids to AI? Or is it getting too complex for the classroom? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the robotics and AI tech that is actually reshaping our daily lives, make sure you hit that subscribe button for AIX. I'll catch you in the next one.